fun little tool. Tom here at Sharpening Supplies, and we have a new, I was going to say knife, kitchen tool. It's a mincing knife that we're going to test and see how sharp it is out of the box. We're then going to spend a minute stropping it and see if we can improve that out of the box sharpness. So visual inspection of the edge, and it looks pretty good. We've got a bit of light reflecting back from the bevel down here, so there might be a bit of a burr left over from when it was sharpened at the factory. But other than that, it looks pretty good. We're going to use the edge on up to test its sharpness, and then a simple leather strop with some green compound for a minute to see if we can improve this initial sharpness. Looking forward to actually using it. It'll be fun to mince some stuff. So we're going to start with one end of it. I suppose they're both heels, both tips. Okay. Oh, 1,014 grams. Yeah, so I think that reflection that I saw might be a bit of burr left over. Hopefully be able to get rid of that by stropping. Next, let's try the middle of the mincer. 385 grams. $526 grams. Okay, so that gave us an average of 642 grams. Kind of let down by the damage over here. Yeah, feels like there might be a bit of a rolled edge. We'll see what we can do with 1 minute of stropping. This might need a little bit more work, but we're going to strop for 1 minute and see what that does to improve the edge. That's 1 minute of stropping. My first time stropping one of these mincers, so if you've got any tips on technique, then let me know in the comments below. Let's see what 1 minute of stropping has done to improve the edge on this F-Dick mincer. Okay, let's see if stropping has done anything to improve that really blunt part. $662 grams. Okay, let's try the middle of the mincer. 322 grams. Now let's try the other end. $378 grams. That gives us a new average score of 459 grams. Because of what looks like maybe a rolled edge, kind of let down the rest of the mincer. So it would be really fun to sharpen this and see just how good an edge we can get on this. It's got a nice continuous curve, so it'll be a fun item to sharpen. If there are any other tools or knives you'd like to see us test and sharpen, let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more.